Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct the user how to utilize payment call within DecisionLender via the RouteOne portal. Payment call allows a dealer to submit an application in which no collateral or loan information is required up front. The lender will determine a maximum payment amount for the applicant, and then the dealer can submit collateral information based on the payment call decision. How to determine if an application is a payment call application. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Work Queue tab. Click on the My Apps subtab. Open the application you wish to view by clicking on the application number. Payment call applications will appear in the work queue with a $sign next to the application number. The application will open to the decision summary page. Note that in order to make any modifications within an application, you must be the working user. If you are not the working user, you will only be able to view the application. You will not be able to make any changes. Within the information banner, there is a link for payment call. A true status indicates that the dealer has submitted this application as a payment call application. Additionally, on a payment call application, there will be no information in the collateral and loan information sections. How to decision a payment call application. If the user chooses to decline a payment call application, there are no further steps to be taken for the payment call. Follow your normal decline application process procedures. If the user chooses to work the payment call, the user must create and save a new loan structure. Click on the Structure tab and select Create New. When creating the new loan version, the user may enter the amount financed, user rate, and term so that the system calculates the payment amount, or you may enter the payment amount. For this example, we will choose to enter the amount financed, user rate, and term. Click Save New when completed. Click the Reevaluate button. Click on the Decision button and select Payment Call from the drop-down list box. Send a note to the dealer, if applicable, in the comments section. Click Update when completed. The dealer will now be notified of the payment call details from the lender. RouteOne dealers will receive the updated decision status. If the payment call was declined, the dealer cannot proceed with the application. If the payment call was approved, the dealer has the option to send comments to the credit analyst to manually add the collateral, financial details, and trade-in information, if applicable. The dealer may instead choose to submit as a deal refresh. This will put an icon with the letter R next to the application number. Dealer updating payment call through RouteOne using Deal Refresh. The lender and dealer must be set up in order for a dealer to update an application via Deal Refresh in RouteOne. If the dealer chooses to update the payment call in RouteOne, the application will appear in the work queue with a $sign symbol and a letter R next to the application number. The decision summary page will display the collateral, financial details, and trade-in vehicle if applicable. Once you assign yourself as the working user, the system will automatically update the payment call field in the information banner from a true to a false, indicating that this is now a standard application and no longer a payment call. The decision status will also be updated to pending. The user may now follow the standard application workflow process to decision the application. Dealer sending comments via RouteOne to Credit Analyst. If the dealer chooses to send comments via RouteOne with the collateral information, the application will still appear in the work queue with the $sign next to the application number. Assign yourself as the working user. Click on the Notes tab to review the collateral, financial, and trade-in information submitted by the dealer. Click on the Structure tab, and then the Create New button. Enter any financial details where applicable, then click Save New. Click on the Edit Collaterals button and select the Add New button to enter the collateral. Click Save Collateral. Click on the menu icon within the card and associate the collateral to the current loan structure. Close the window. Click on Reevaluate. Collateral will now appear in the Collateral section. To add trade-in information, click the Edit Trade-in button. Select the Add New button to enter the trade information. Click on Save Trade-in. Click on the Card menu and select Associate to Current Loan Structure. Close the window. Trade-in information will appear in the Trade-in section. Now you are ready to take your application out of payment call status. Click on the payment call link in the information banner. Select the No option and click Update. This will update the decision status to pending, and the application will no longer be a payment call application. The application will now follow the standard application workflow. Click Reevaluate. The decision status can now be updated to Approved. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.